Conversion of temperature into the Kelvin scale. Temperature is a reflection of how much energy is in a system. And when we're dealing with gases, you know that the molecules are much farther apart than they are with liquids or solids. So what we do is we use a different version of the collision theory. Actually, it's very similar. It's called the kinetic molecular theory, and this helps us visualize the movement of gas particles. And it's something that you're familiar with. Essentially, when we add heat to the molecules, we get a higher temperature, which means there's an increase in energy in the system, which means there's more movement of the particles involved. Because the kinetic molecular theory is a physics model that is used to explain the movement of particles, a more appropriate version of temperature is used. In a nutshell, Celsius is a reflection of how much energy is present in a system, and so the Celsius scale is based on water, which is our reference, where water freezes at 0 and 100 is boiling. Kelvin is a reflection of how much thermal energy is present in moving particles, and there's a difference here. So in the Kelvin scale, absolute 0 is a temperature in which all molecular motion stops. All those particles in this model stop moving. To find the conversion, you'll look on sort of the right-hand side of the back, a little bit towards the top, and you'll see a little temperature box, and we're going to use the top expression where to get something into Kelvin, you just add 273.15. To make things easier, we just round this to 273 degrees. And so 0 degrees Celsius is 273 Kelvin. And note that it's not degrees Kelvin, it's just Kelvin. So that's what we say is 273 Kelvin. So a couple of quick examples. This is a very quick slideshow. If I have 20 degrees Celsius, I add 273 to get it into Kelvin, so that would be 293 Kelvin. And if I want to get something out of Kelvin and back into Celsius, I subtract 273. So if I have something that's 300 Kelvin, I take away 273, and that gives me 27 degrees Celsius.